కేంద్ర ఎన్నికల సంఘం అధికారులతో ఏపీ బీజేపీ నేతలు సమావేశమయ్యారు. ఏపీలో ఓట్ల తొలగింపుపై ఈసీ అధికారులకు ఫిర్యాదు చేశారు.
All such data has been mapped into a private political party database of ruling TDP. This is nothing but an attempt to subvert the entire electoral process, and there is also an attempt to, on the one hand, to delete from the voter list names of those who are considered to be supporters of other parties other than Telugu Desam Party. There is also an attempt to indulge in large-scale bribing by possibly indulging in bribe transfer through the bank accounts. Also, 4 lakh people have been appointed as Sadhikara Mitras, to whom the government of Andhra Pradesh is paying a lot of money. And all these people are functioning as ground workers of the Telugu Desam Party. On top of it, the state police in Andhra Pradesh is not functioning as an unbiased force, but is actually working as an extension of the ruling Telugu Desam Party. The top functionaries of the state police, Andhra Pradesh State Police, including the Director General of Police, are functioning as card holders or top functionaries of Telugu Desam Party. They have been rather condoning violence against the cadres of the opposition parties, and they are actually harassing the workers of other parties while acting in support of the ruling Telugu Desam. So we have requested the Election Commission of India for their immediate and expeditious action in the following manner. One, we have sought a special revision of electoral rolls in Andhra Pradesh to remove all the inaccuracies and to nullify all the fraudulent efforts of Telugu Desam Party. Number 2, we have requested the Election Commission of India to send the top functionaries of state police, Andhra Pradesh State Police, out of the state and conduct elections under the supervision of police officers, which Election Commission of India can rely upon for their unbiased functioning. 3, we have asked the Election Commission of India to immediately order that all those ground level workers of the TDP who are functioning as Sadhikara Mitras, their services to be discontinued immediately. Number 4, we have requested Election Commission of India to take all appropriate actions in regard to the data theft, register whatever cases and take appropriate actions to ensure that those who have put the people of Andhra Pradesh at a grave risk by leaking their personal data, action should be initiated against them. The Election Commission of India had listened to our complaints, our observations, and they had promised to look into all the issues that we have raised with them. Some of these issues have already been in their notice. Election Commission of India had already dispatched a team to look into the complaints of large-scale manipulation of electoral rolls. The Election Commission of India has promised that they will look into all the complaints and take appropriate actions to restore the faith of the political parties and people of Andhra Pradesh in the forthcoming elections to the State Assembly in Andhra Pradesh as well as Lok Sabha elections in Andhra Pradesh. ఈ రోజు ఎలక్షన్ కమిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా కమిషనర్లతో భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ రాష్ట్ర అధ్యక్షులు కన్నా లక్ష్మీనారాయణ గారితో సహా వి మురళీధరన్ గారు, భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ రాష్ట్ర వ్యవహారాల ఇన్ఛార్జ్ వారితో నేను ఎమ్మెల్సీ మాధవ్ గారు మేమందరం కలవటం జరిగింది. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో ఎన్నికల్లో విజయం సాధించడానికి అన్ని రకాల తప్పటడుగులేస్తున్నటువంటి, తప్పుడు పనులు చేస్తున్నటువంటి రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం, అలాగే అధికార పార్టీ అయిన తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ ఏ రకంగా ఎన్నికల ప్రక్రియని పూర్తిగా ఖూనీ చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తుందో వారికి వివరించాము. ఎన్నికల కమిషన్ వీటిపైన వెంటనే స్పందించి యాక్షన్ తీసుకోవాలని వారిని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాము. ప్రముఖంగా ఎన్నికల ఓటర్ల జాబితా ఏదైతే ఉందో దానిలో లక్షల సంఖ్యలో వారికి అనుకూలంగా లేని ఓటర్లను ఏ రకంగా తొలగించింది, ఏ రకంగా బోగస్ ఓటర్లని జాబితాలో చేర్చింది,